I am Bala, or Bala Selvakumar, and I will be the STEM teacher in the upper school at Whittle School and Studios in Washington, D.C. I came to the United States wanting to pursue research in biology. I started off in biochemistry, then went on to cell biology, and then finally worked in the area of neuroscience. So that process of the scientific method, I think, translates very well to the project-based curriculum that Whittle has, where the hope is for the student to seek a problem and then to know how to go about solving the problem effectively. And that translates very well to what I've done in the research environment. I grew up in an environment that was surrounded by lots of people spending time either cooking food or talking about food. And I don't look at it just as food and human interaction. I look at it as a confluence of biology and the humanities in understanding human interaction. I'm very interested in human interaction. And when I think about Whittle, I think about the richness and diversity of environments that both students and faculty are going to be coming from and will be exploring together. And in that context, human interaction is incredibly rewarding to me on a personal note, but also as a researcher.